Are you sick of carrying a selfie stick and a tripod every time you go out somewhere with your action camera, like your GoPro or your DJI Osmo? Well, if that's the case, I may have just the accessory for you. This is from Ulanzi, and it's a 55-inch tripod and selfie stick that is super easy to use, and you can take it anywhere. It comes in at under 30 centimeters long, which makes it super easy to pack into your bag or your backpack. So first things first, to unlock this unit, all you need to do is turn it to the left in the direction of the unlock logo there, and then you just got to gently pull on the end piece. It has 7 different levels that you can choose from. Once you've done that, all you need to do is take off the super duper magnetic little mount that Ulanzi has here, and that's a really great idea because it means that your action camera is going to be super secure every time you use this item. So to take it off, all you need to do is press this little button here on the side, put your thumb on that, and then you just want to turn the top piece a quarter of a turn. So once you've got your action camera, all you need to do is make sure that you line up the base with the top piece of the tripod here, and then slot it in and just turn it to the right, and then you heard that click. That means it's locked in securely. It's not going to come off, okay? It's totally on there, fastened with a gorilla-like grip. And taking it off is super easy as well. Just press this button, turn a quarter of a turn, and then you can remove it. Right now we're recording on the GoPro Hero, and I've got it attached to the Ulanzi tripod and selfie stick, and so it's full extension right now, which is 140 centimeters, which is pretty amazing because it means you can get some incredible footage and lots of wicked and fantastic angles as well from great heights, or you can also make it go down super low as well and get some really cool angles. How cool is that, right? It hit the tree. All right, so how cool is that? This is a really sweet item, and it's not really that heavy either. It's quite light. Actually, it comes in at only weighing 330 grams, which is almost nothing. I've only had this tripod for just over a week now, and I've got to say it's quickly become one of my very favorite accessories. Just how versatile it is and how well made it is, and also knowledge that once I put my action camera into this magnetic locking system on the top of the tripod, it's not going to come off at any stage of the game. If you are interested in checking out this awesome product from Ulanzi, click on the link in the description down below. If you want to learn more about GoPros, action cameras, mounts, and accessories like this little beauty here, then you want to click on this video over here next. As usual, thank you for your company this afternoon. I really appreciate it. And until next time, I will see you later.